How to fix QuickBooks error 404, page not found. For quick solutions. Solution 1, use a private browser and clear browser cache. Step 1, if you are using Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N keys together to open incognito mode. Step 2, if QuickBooks Online works fine in the private browser, open the main browser. Step 3, click on the three-dot icon at the top right corner. Step 4, go to More Tools and then Clear Browsing Data. Step 5, once you're in the Clear Browsing Data window, stay in the Basic tab and select the time range. Step 6, if you do not want to delete your browsing history, you can uncheck it. Step 7, make sure that cookies and cached options are selected. Step 8, then click on the Clear Data button. Solution 2, access QuickBooks Online in private browser to check connection. Step 1, if you are using Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N keys together to open the incognito mode and sign into your QuickBooks account. Step 2, once logged in, click on the gear icon and select Account in Settings. Step 3, in the Payments section, click on Learn More. Step 4, you'll be routed to the Sign Up page for QuickBooks Payments. Step 5, check and see if you get the same error or if you can proceed. Solution 3, check the internet speed. Step 1, open the web browser and search Internet Speed Test. Step 2, open a link from the result. Step 3, it'll check the internet speed automatically. Step 4, if the internet speed is slow, reboot the router. Solution 4, add QuickBooks as trusted site. Step 1, click on the Windows Start button and search Internet Options. Step 2, open Internet Options and go to the Security tab. Step 3, select Trusted Sites and click on Sites. Step 4, in the Add this website to the zone field, enter Intuit site and click on Add. Step 5, now uncheck the Require Server Verification for all sites in this zone. Step 6, then click on Close. Step 7, uncheck Enable Protected Mode. Step 8, then click OK and apply to save the changes. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746902298 +44 800 0548150.